Good morning, guys. Sorry pa lang pala yung lipstick ko kasi ano yan yung ink. I-erase ko pa yan in few minutes. At yan yung ating morning view dyan. Yung bundok na may ulap. Nagre-ready lang kami ni Tony, guys, kasi di ba magkagala na tayo. Bihis na siya. Ang kalat-kalat yan, but that's okay. Kasi bakasyon. Did you bring your jeans or anything easier to put on? Yeah, I got mine. Warm one in case we need to warm up.
Oh, you're going to need to warm up, all right. A bit of run for the car.
Kasi baka mabasa kami, guys, kasi yung pupunta namin pwede kang mabasa. So, mag-chichinelas na lang din ako. Yeah, just carry that one. Your socks and your shoes. Just wear thongs, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't put it there.
Okay, whatever's for the backpack.
Yeah, that's it. Got my jacket in the car anyway. Tapos mag-chinelas lang kami. Inumin ko pala yung hot chocolate ko, guys. But, yun pa yung isang view natin dyan. Inumin ko yung hot chocolate ko. Wala din akong mata, so hindi ko kayo makita. Ay, hindi pala ako pwede on. Kailangan kong erase muna to. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes ko na to nalagay. But, quick OOTD tayo. Oh, winter na winter, pero labas ang ano, no? Hindi, actually, guys. Pwede yan i-ano. Kasi, itinay ko lang. Kasi gusto kong, ganyan naman talaga siya, guys. Tinay ko lang yung tinaas. Si mamaya, if maganda siya sa photo ba, yung OOTD natin. But pwede siyang i-ganon. Pwede din siyang hindi naman. Ganyan. But nakaskirt lang ako kasi nga, maglulubog tayo sa tubig. And magpapalit tayo mamaya. Pag nabasa tayo. Pag hindi naman tayo magbasa, huwag na tayo magpalit. Yan. But, yan yung ating OOTD lang. Ano lang, simple lang OOTD lang. So, hintay ko lang magtuyo nga yung lipstick ko, tapos buburahin ko na siya kasi tint siya, guys, tint. Kailangan siya magstay doon ng 15 minutes. Ayan. Anyway, yan lang yung ating OOTD. Yep. Then, what else you got? Food. Drinks.
I'll just take a bit of water.
Yeah, I still got Pepsi, Coke in the fridge. You can just bring them.
Take one water, one Coke.
Yep. Kasi saglit lang naman tayo, guys. Matagal lang yung drive, pero saglit lang tayo dun sa mga igagala natin. Do you think it's safe to come na? To go? Toilet.
Yeah, of course it is.
Yan, ayan yung ating view.
Well, I don't know that I am, but I probably am.
You got the other jacket in the car,
To
right?
get my point. Yes, this jacket's in the car.
My pack jacket is in the car. Okay. Okay, okay. Tara na din. Bye, view. Alis na tayo, guys. Kakain na tayo. So, mag-drive tayo na ako. Sakit ng paa ko. Sakit actually ng ano nga yung Tagalog ng dito ba?
Where's this one?
Hindi alam ang Tagalog.
I've got a key, I know.
You got the key?
Better have.
Yung dito ko ba?
Now let's have a look. See, that's about the height of Paul's thing.
No, that's a lot lower. I'll show you when we go. Agay! Crippled. Babe, I'm crippled. Masakit. Hindi ako makababa. Hindi, promise, masakit yung dito. Oh, yung dito. Pinakita ko pa talaga sa Pero 5 minutes walk lang yan.
Yeah, be about 25 for us.
Agay.
Oh, no.
What?
I've
No,
got to go back in.
no car key?
No.
Okay, well, you do it. I can't. Okay.
I haven't got my own.
Ay, ang ganda ng araw.
Yeah, rubbish. Oh,
Yeah.
is there rubbish bin?
Yeah, here. Okay, so banana rubbish.
Finish that as well.
Is that finished as well?
Yep. Yep. Oh, I've got a few peppermints left in this one. How's yours going?
Gone. Oh,
Empty.
it's empty. Bili tayo ng pagkain dyan lang guys sa Fidelity Cafe. Takeaways. Very quick lang. Naglinis lang kami ng car kasi yung kalat namin yesterday. Then bili tayong pagkain. Ang dumi ng car na to guys. Kasi nag off track tayo yesterday, di ba? Ang cute naman ng mga pots na yun. Aray, sakit. Ang sakit sa paa. Ang sakit talaga ng paa. Hindi ako makagalaw. Anyway, kain. Bili tayo pagkain.
Water stored up in this country.
Yeah. Ang big ng lake na yan. It's the lake.
Trouble is, it's all in the South Island.
What is it? What is it? Lake what?
Hawea.
Havia?
Hawea.
Yeah.
Like a Kia, but a Hawea.
Havia. Yeah, I kind of read it from the, like when I was looking hotels. Kasi there's a motel here as well. Ayan na yung lake. Ang laki niya, no?
This is straight up the river.
We'll be going downstairs, maybe.
Downstairs, upstairs. Various places.
Meron tayong Blue Falls dito, guys. Ito yung isa talaga na popular din. Kaso 1.6k. I don't think we can walk 5k's. I mean 5k's 5 minutes today. Ang sakit ng mga legs namin eh. So yung mga kaya lang namin, wala ka rin today.
My feet can't. I've got no walking shoes in.
I didn't bring any walking shoes. Dito na tayo guys sa Thunder Creek Waterfalls.
Just leave the door open up.
Yeah?
I
Oh,
want to see why the window's not this thing.
nasakit ang paa ko. It's cold. It's close, right?
Oh, pretty much. No, it's not actually.
Sana may
Yeah,
CR.
it's not making any noise.
Naiihi ako.
I reckon it is.
Okay. I can't really
I
walk.
can't walk back fast.
I can't walk either. It
My
hurts.
heel's sore.
Ow. Yours heel. I would rather have a heel than here. Masakit. Wala ang lipstick natin, guys. I hope there's a toilet.
Oh, beautiful.
I need to pee.
Oh,
Dito na tayo. Tada! Oh, babe, take a photo while there's no people. I think it's inside that. Just be careful. Punta tayo doon guys sa Quezon. Papasok tayo doon. Woo! Lamig! Ang ganda, wow! Wow! It's crazy!
sorry about the bumpy video. It's only absolutely freezing here. Sandals along here.
Oh my God, look behind you. It's the view is sick.
It's raining on me.
Let's go. Oh my God, sobrang ganda guys, di ba? As in, ang ganda-ganda. Tignan nyo pa yung tubig. Sobrang ganda. Ang dami kong photos. Upload na lang natin. But let's go. May mga ibang tao na din si Tony. Kawawa naman yung asawa ko guys. Pinapunta talaga natin dito, no? Let's go. Pero ang ganda dito. Tingnan yun. Clear na tubig. Malamig lang. Pero sobrang clear. Malapit lang siya sa daan. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. So, yun siya. Guys! Tara! Nahulog ako doon sa may doon. But that's okay. Madala kaming damit, guys. Kasi sabi ko, baka mabasa kami, di ba? Yung pants, yung bum ko lang naman yung wet. Yung bum ko po wet. Pero may dala akong damit. Kasi akala ko mababasa din naman kami. So yeah. It's my... Oh! Watch out! Kasi lamang tayo. Wala lang akong dalang ano. Meron akong dalang pambaba. Pero wala akong dalang pang taas. Pero hindi naman basa yung taas ko. Baba lang. Where's my slippers? So yung puwet ko basa talaga.
Oh, your knickers are wet and everything.
Yes.
I think you haven't got dry ones.
I didn't bring any. It's okay. I'll just remove my ano. Bye. I need my sandals. Wala naman na tayong dadaanan. Yun lang naman na yung last nating bay. That was our
That's
last.
the best spot we've been to.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Mate.
It's crazy, no?
Love it. Take her and have a picnic in there.
Picnic in there. It's so nice.
You go to the water, your feet warm up.
Yes, your feet warm up really quick. Pero basta talaga ako. Meron naman akong dala nga. I did bring clothes. I mean bottom. Because I thought we're gonna get wet anyway. Which is
Not up to your armpits.
huh?
Not up to your armpits.
That's why I did bring bottoms, not the top.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have to change.
Put the bottoms on, take your skirt off.
Yeah.
You have to take your knickers off. I'll be soaking.
Wet.
Wait till it's super dry enough.
Guys, nasa balik na tayo ng apartment. Nakapalit ako kanina, di ba? Pero nawala ko yung tsinelas ko, guys. Wala akong tsinelas. Wala akong tsinelas. Nawala. Hindi joke.
Didn't go off.
I did. Ito ang green.
Break the door now.
Wala akong tsinelas. Wala. Okay, may homeless person ka, girl. Gosh. Naglakad ng walang tsinelas. Wala lahat. Oh my goodness. Malamig kasi kanina yung shoes. Anyway. Kamusta naman yung view natin dyan? Ganda pa rin. Maghanap tayo guys ng chill. Which is meron. And then chili. to eat my manga. Alright. Kasama na natin. Yeah. So, magbalat tayo ng mangga, guys. Wait, ganap tayo ng mga kung anong meron dito. Merong plato. Bowl. Sana may isin. Okay. Ano ito? Where's this dishwasher? May dishwasher. Sana may asin. Ayun, meron. Dun, 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 dun. May asin. Ingay naman, sis. Balat ng mangga. This is our snacks. Kasi, antok ako. Mamaya pa kami ulit labas. Pag kakainan ng hapunan. Tigas, ah. Hindi masyadong maganda yung ano na to. Kutsilyo. Curry bells naman. Guys. Ang ganda ng mangga. Matigas pa naman siya, guys. Hindi pa naman siya totally hinog. Tama ba ako? Ang tigas naman ito. Pahirap pa naman. But okay. Mapurol. Mangga is our snacks. Actually, mas mura yung mangga dito sa New Zealand kaysa Australia. Pero iba pa rin yung mangga sa atin, guys. Iba pa rin yung Indian mango. Iba pa rin yung lasa ng mangga talaga. Pahinog na din pala to, guys. Kasi, ilang araw ko naman to. Kasi bit-bit. Hindi ko pa kinain. Buong araw man kami nasa labas yesterday. So, hindi ko alam kung anong kakainan tonight. Ang asawa ko, nandun lang siya. So, sa dulo. Paano ko gagawa siya ng inumin niya? Hindi pa gumalaw. Ayan. Malambot na konti yung sa gitna. That's alright. Kahit anong klaseng mangga yan, kinakain naman natin. Iba yung kulay ng mangga dito. Halatang galing siya sa freezer. Papunta dito. Yan. Anyway. Yan yung mangga ko. Siguro tayo ng asin. And that's our snacks. Mangga. Okay. Yan. Upo tayo dito sa labas. Yan lang yung mangga ko. Kakainin ko yan. Yan yung ating yung kakain ng mangga. What's up?
You know, I sent that text to Paul the photo of the parking,
Yeah.
and it says not delivered,
Yeah.
along with the...
Okay guys, nagbihis na ako ng dinner. Hindi ko na, paano ko ba papakita sa inyo yung OOTD ko? Balik rin ko, wait lang guys, wait lang. Okay. Ano lang siya guys, long sleeves lang ako, tapos naka-pants ako na black. Sorry, yung kalat ko dyan na damit. Tapos mag-jacket lang ako na puffy jacket. Vlog. vacuum jacket sa may car. Tapos mayroon din akong makapal na socks sa car na yung mahaba guys hanggang tuhod dito. Para extra warm. Kasi parang malamig tonight I think. But yeah, Korean. Ay, hindi pala. Chinese pala tayo today. Hindi na. Bag. Take toothpicks. And ready na siya. Ready na kami saglitang dinner lang naman guys. Kasi ano nga. Uwi din kami balik. Tapos mag-bath ulit kami nito. Kasi masakit yung mga muscles namin. Yung ako guys, hindi talaga ako makapaglakad at the moment. Masakit siya sas. You got a big jacket in the car?
Yeah.
I have my big jacket in the car. I think I have my socks at the back of the car.
Yep, I have my shoes in there.
And then my shoes, the other shoes, the 2-in-1. This one is getting dirtier. Is in the car. Wasn't paying attention. Mag-socks tayo guys, yung mahabang socks. Para,
Just
warmth.
open it. Open your door.
Yeah.
Just half close it. Just lightly close it so it doesn't.
Oh, that's a seatbelt.
And the door.
Is it, there's a door there? as
See,
well?
it's not a red light.
What is it?
Is it open?
Yes.
Just pull it so it's not closed. So just half close. It's just very lightly. Pull the door. No, that's not going to close like that.
See, it's the...
Oh shit.
Yeah, you closed it.
Okay, that's half closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it stays on, but it's not red. No. Yeah, you could miss that for a while.
Okay. So, alam ko na guys kung saan ko naiwan yung shoes ko.
Okay, right, wait, so I can draw.
Ay, shoes, chinelas pala.
When you put your shoes on. Oh, I can't see from back here.
Gamit ko na yung malinis kong shoes, hindi yung madumi kong shoes.
Little beep.
Ang tagal kong naghintay magkaroon ng free size nitong New Balance na 327 na ganitong color guys. Pero nakabili na ako nung kaya hindi ko pa yun nabili. Tagal kong naghintay ng stocks.
Ah, there's the noise.
Oh, that was the seatbelt. Ay,
That'd be the door.
the door.
Please follow.
Bump. You wanna borrow my socks? It's a two hood. It's a very long socks, guys. Extra warm. See? Ta-da!
Oh yeah, that's what I need for golf.
Stretchy naman siya. Kailangan nito ng anong socks.
Get me some for golf.
Yeah, mahabang socks. Ito. Hindi pa rin ako tapos, no? Hindi naman kasi umuulan eh. So, gamitin natin yung ating comfy shoes.
I bet we can't get the same car park tonight.
You think?
You'd be pretty lucky.
Now turn left.
Pero maganda dito sa Wanaka guys kasi ang dali lang makahanap ng car park. There's car park everywhere. It's not unlike Queenstown na
Oh yeah.
kahirapan. Like it's not worth it to have a car. You just need to you rather go and get an Uber kasi may Uber naman dun. Kasi nga like I said it was very busy doon. It's busy in Queenstown. So walang car park lagi as in walang car park lagi. Anyway, kain tayo guys. Gutoms na. So that's the Wanaka Lake. Sobrang haba niyan guys, as in sobra. Yung dinaanan natin kanina today, yeah, mahaba. Yun.
What's that person doing?
What's that person doing? Which one? Where did it go? I don't have to go that side, mate. Wrong way. Tourist ka, boy. Alam nyo ba, kanina guys, muntik na kaming bangga ng lalaki. Nag-overtake siya in a very windy road. Tapos nasa harap talaga siya ng car namin. Nandito na siya. Seconds na lang, as in, kami yung nabangga niya. So, what are we celebrating today? Or how many lives? Para tayong pusa. Ang dami nating lives. It was so close though. It was really, really close. Parang seconds na lang siya, guys. Kasi yung car nasa harap namin, wow! Gumano na kanina, pero si Tony, ano
That
siya,
might be our car park.
sumigaw siya, sinigawan niya yung person. Diyan tayo pupunta. Diyan kami kumakain, guys, pero punta kami sa kabila. Sa next one. Ang sakit talaga, guys, ng aking paa. But that's okay. Ng legs. Hanap tayo makakainan. Ang dami pala makakainan dito. Ay! Doon tayo hanap sa That's not the one, babe, diba? It's not that one. Ano yan? Bombay Palace. Pero dito tayo sa kabila. Yung Chinese. Gumamit ng elevator. Hindi kaya natin, sis. Masakit sa paa. First floor. May view pala sa taas. Ay, may sarap din yan. But, meron silang.
Rich.
Ang sarap ng soup ko. And yung Singaporean noodles nito. Ay, hindi pala yan. Nasi goreng pala yan. Nasi goreng. Kain tayo. Yan yung nasi goreng, guys. In fairness, ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang sarap ng soup ko. Humingi ako ng chili. Eat, babe.
Spoon's too big to put it in.
Okay. Hey, babies. Are you gonna eat? Kawawa naman yung mga lobster. Ay. Pero maliit sila. They look small, diba?
Living together.
Ha?
Yeah, they big enough.
Yeah, no. Mukha siyang maliit. Lamig ka, girl. Malamig na, guys. And pababa na yung sun. Wala pa akong glasses. Yung glasses ko nasa car. So, magpapalit pa ako ng glasses. But, naka-jacket na kami. Ang sarap ng kinain namin. Aray. Whew. Let's go. Bili kami ice cream. Nilalamig na pero kakain pa ng ice cream, no? Dessert. Okay, let's go. Dito na yung car. Lamig na, sesh. Masakit talaga yung ano ko. Yung paa ko talaga, masakit talaga siya. Okay, let's go.
Gosh, I've never seen a Porsche blow up.
Yeah. Ay, huli siya ng police. Anong meron
The
dyan?
car's 23, 24 years old.
Yan yung mga restaurants dito sa may like side, guys. Yan. And yan yung lake dyan. Ang fairness naman, marami naman parang choices ng kainan. Di lang kami masyado ito ni nag-explore ba. Ba't yan tayo galing?
That car was parked in our car park.
Yeah? I know, it's going
The
back
first
some...
night that we stayed here.
Oh, really? Yan, dyan tayo kumain. Doon. Yan. Punta tayong supermarket. Doon tayo din nag-stay nung first night natin. Dito lang din yun. So, ngayon bibili tayo ng ice cream sa supermarket na pinilhan natin ng grocery the other day. Tapos uwi na tayo. Ayun, dyan tayo nag-stay. Diba? Ito yung supermarket. Okay. May bottle shop doon.
Back beside the bin.
Ito na yung supermarket.
Goat.
Huh? What?
A number plate on that car.
Anong number plate ng car? Dami mo nakikita, babe ba? Dami mo nakikita na hindi ko nakikita. Bulag daw ako. Charis. Hindi bago yung glasses ko nakakakita. Bibili lang kami nito ng ice cream. Kasi ice cream lang talagang bibili namin. Tapos uwi na kami sa bahay. Sa apartment. What's wrong with you? Uwi na tayo guys. Kumuha lang kami ng ice cream. Yeah. Bumili na lang kami ng ice cream sa supermarket. Tapos bumili din ako ng hot chocolate kasi ubos na yung hot chocolate ko sa bahay. Dinala ko yun yung last ko na chocolate. And yun na yun. Struggle ang umupo ng car. Okay. Alright, kainan portion. Are you okay? What happened? You're cold.
No, I'm fine in my jacket, of course. I can just still smell that Porsche, that's all.
Yeah, I can smell it too. Meron akong softy na for you.
Horrendous smell.
Yeah, no? Ang baho ng car na hinuli ng police. Grabe yung smoke ng kanyang car.
Smoke? I don't know what it was.
Kalat naman ito, babe. Agay! Ice cream time! Okay, may mess.
Might have to go outside and eat this.
Uh-oh. Don't make mess, Anthony. Cheers! Did you touch my ice cream?
I did. It's so frozen.
Kain tayo guys. Bukas, feeling ko hindi na ako mag-vlog bukas. Pauwi naman kami. Pero may mga dadaanan kami yata. Pero mag-upload na lang ang mga pictures and videos sa Instagram. So, yung mga hindi ko na-vlog, doon nyo na lang i-follow guys. Sarap. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya. So, what are you doing?
Chocolate catcher.
Meron siyang bib.
Got a bib, of course. It's good to have a bib.
Di man ako messy kumain guys dito ni kasi ay nako.
I don't know what's going to give first.
Okay guys, hot chocolate time! Nakaubad na yung asawa nagtitimpla. Oy, pati na lang for today. Kung hindi mahaba yung vlog natin today, bukas na lang yung iba. Idugtong ko dito. Or if mahaba to, hindi ko na idadagdag yung bukas. Yun na lang for today guys. Salamat sa panonood. Nagtanggal muna ako ng makeup. Tapos maghilamos na ako. Tapos mag-toothbrush. After ng hot chocolate ko. And yun lang. Salamat sa panonood guys. Wala tayong vlog. Pag uwi na lang ako mag-edit kasi ang hirap mag-edit pag nasa bakasyon. May nakahubad na dumaan. No, ang hirap mag-edit guys ng nakabakasyon. So, kung kailan na lang kami makauwi ng Christchurch, tsaka ako na lang mag-edit. Anyway, salamat sa panonood. I'll see you guys next time. Good night.